What's up, everybody? The topic in today's video is going to be just a couple tips and tricks for making money with affiliate marketing. This isn't going to be a long video like most of my other videos. Try to keep it short, try to keep it simple. Some of the things I just kind of wanted to cover is when people get into affiliate marketing, they see low percentages with Amazon. It's 0 to 4%. With ClickBank, you can make a lot higher percentages, but still it's a percentage. So anytime they're thinking about a percentage, they're like, bigger the product I'm promoting, the bigger my commission's going to be, or my percentage is going to be of that product. But the problem with that is that whenever you start promoting those bigger ticket items, you have to really sell them. You have to be extremely good at what you do, and you have to be really good at grabbing people's attention, keeping their attention, and then selling the item to them. Another problem with that is that we're not all rich. Whenever you're promoting these big ticket items, you're promoting to a very small group of people. Most people on the internet today that are buying things in the e-commerce world, they're buying impulsive items. Impulsive items are almost never big ticket items. If you're selling something to impulsive consumers, which is a large majority of the consumer market today, you want to sell a smaller ticket item. That doesn't mean a bad product. It doesn't mean a cheap product. It just means something that somebody will be like, I could use it, buy. So it's not going to be something that costs $1,000. It might be something that costs $100. More likely something even cheaper than that. Something that's going to be anywhere between the $10 and $50 range. That's going to be one of those impulsive buys. You want to make sure you stick with the impulsive buys. That way that whenever you are talking about a product, you highlight some of its key features and somebody says, that's really useful. I like this product. And they buy it. Whereas you sell one of these bigger ticket items, somebody might say, I like this product. I might buy it. And then they go and they see that price and they say, whoa, I'm going to have to save for that product. And then down the road, whenever they get the money to buy this said product, if they buy this said product, they might not even use your affiliate link at this point. Because now they just remember what you told them about the product. They have the product in their head, and they go find it. They go to the manufacturer's website, wherever, Amazon, however they decide to buy the product, and they buy it from the information that you provided, off of your hard work on giving them these key features and why the product is useful to them. But now you get nothing, because they had to wait a couple weeks or a couple months, however long it took them to save the extra money to buy this product. Whereas with the impulse buy, they have that extra $10 to $50 or $100 in their account. They watched your video or read your blog, and they're like, I like that product. They click your link, they buy the product, and boom. It might not be a high commission rate. It might not be very much money. You might have made 80 cents off the product, or $1, $2, whatever it may be. But it's actually going to you, and you're going to have a lot more people do that. Whereas with the high ticket items, you might get 3 sales a year, or 3 affiliate link clicks a year that actually ended in a sale. However, the person that's promoting a low ticket item might get 3 a day, which doesn't seem like much, but it adds up in the long term scheme of things. So just remember, this from my personal opinion, whenever you're doing affiliate marketing and you're wanting to promote people's products to make a commission, to make that percentage, especially whenever you're starting out, try to stick with those small ticket items, those impulse buys. That's the important thing of it. Whenever you look at a product to promote, the first thing you should look at is, do you like this product, and do you honestly back this product? Could you see it being useful to your followers, your viewers? And then once you move on from there, you say, is this an impulse buy? Could I buy this product without having to look at my budget and worry, will I still be able to pay rent? I still be able to pay my water bill? I'm sorry for my dog right now. She acted up, so she's put up. She's getting a little whiny. Okay. And besides, picking a impulsive, lower cost item rather than a high ticket item, a lot of things that I see people that are new to the affiliate marketplace do is they link directly to the product. And that's good. Like I said, impulse buys. You want to get people to click through and go to that product. But a lot of the times people, even on impulse buying, they want to look up a little bit more. They want to see just a tiny bit more about the product. So one of the other things that I recommend is maybe instead of just making a video and linking directly to the product, make a video and then link to your blog. Your blog contains useful information about this product that might just be that leading edge that pushes them to actually purchase the product. Now again, I'm no expert. These are my opinions. They've worked for me, and hopefully they'll work for you too. If they do work for you, or if you like the content that I provide, go ahead and drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post more videos.